What's up, guys and girls? It's your favorite producer, the Pro Mix Beats. You're welcome back to my channel. If you're here for the first time, please do well to subscribe. You can also click the notification bell button so that you can be the first to always get my video. And on today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to start up recording on Cubase, just in case you're just using the Cubase for the first time and you want to know how to set up your Cubase for recording. I'll be showing you guys on this video. Stay tuned and let's dive in. Alright, so additionally, I will also be showing you guys how I do create a separate folder, a separate file for each and every artist that came to record in my studio. And for the sake of this tutorial, I'll be using the name Mickey. Let's say Mickey came to my studio to record for the first time, then he came with his beats. This is how I will start up a project for Mickey. So first things first, I will go to File, I'll go to Documents, and I will go to Cubase project. This Cubase project is where Cubase do save its files, everything that is coming out of Cubase. So I will open Cubase project. Now here is where I will create a separate file for Mickey. As you can see, other artists that I have already: Tasco file, Lone Wolf file, Wintermere file, Big Sound file, K-Panther file, and so on. The reason why I love doing this is because I want to separate each and every artist project. If you come into Tasco, you will see that Tasco has done some songs with me. Same thing with Lone Wolf and others. Now I'll be creating a file for Mickey. I'll be creating a new folder, and I will name that folder Mickey Files. Now inside this Mickey file is where I'll be saving all the songs that Mickey will come to record in my studio. As you can see, it's empty. So after that, I'll close. I will launch Cubase. Then here is where we are going to locate that Mickey file. Make sure this use default location is highlighted. If you are using prompt folder project location, it's going to save it inside the file, but it will be saving it into any file that is being selected inside that Cubase project. So you make sure use this default location is highlighted. So from here, I can locate that Mickey file that I just created. Go to Document, then you go to Cubase project. Then this is that Mickey file, the one I just created. So you select that Mickey file. So after selecting Mickey file, here is where you give the title of the song Mickey is about to record. And in case it doesn't have the title yet, you can give it any name. Let's say the title of the song is Be With Me. So right here, we name it Be With Me. After that, you now go to create empty project. So remember, Mickey came with his own beat, so we have to go and bring that beat into the project. Let's say this is Mickey beat. We go to take it to Cubase, then we drop it, click OK. So now we have Mickey beats inside the project. So for you to start recording Mickey on his beat, you create an audio track for Mickey, and there are two ways you can do that. First, you can use this plus sign just in case you are using the Cubase 14 Pro like myself, or you right click under here, then add audio track, then make sure this is on mono, then boom. So now you can start recording Mickey on his beat. But before you start recording, make sure you set your tempo and you set the key of your song. So on my next video, I'll be showing you guys how you can detect the tempo of your beat and at the same time also detect the key of the beats for you to do your settings and you are good to go. Thank you very much for watching. If you find this video useful, please do well to subscribe, like, comment, and share. I love you guys. Peace out.